is Nisa, and this is Removing Milia with the Zit Popper and Lancet. So if you have a pesky zit that you want to pop, or a Milia, get yourself one of these handy tools. Because as opposed to using your fingers, it's a lot more sanitary and it'll leave less, if no scarring. So what you want to do is make sure your face is clean and take this end and make sure that it's in the center of the zit or milia. Add light pressure until the excess, whether it's sebum or any kind of infectious mucus is inside, is removed. And then wipe with a tissue and don't touch it at all.